Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today, 30th January, Nifty is trading around 21,712. You can see the price action here. I'm recording it live. And Bank Nifty is trading around 45,472. Okay. So before proceeding today's video, I just want to share a few screenshots from our previous video, and I believe that will give a very important learning from the Elliott waves. So on January 24th, okay, last week, I tweeted that correction may be over. Actually, still we need some more price action to confirm, okay, but the thought was the correction may be over since the Bank Nifty reached 61.8% of the rise and the Nifty holding 38% of the possible third wave. Since we are calculating the Nifty as third wave, the fourth wave may settle at 38% to 50%. So since Nifty holding 38% and Bank Nifty at 61.8%, we may expect a bounce or even the correction may end. This is the idea on 24th Jan, and that was the tweet. Let's see how the price bounces from here, and the most important point is we need to see how the bounce will be like maybe in 3 or 5 waves. Okay, so this is the chart. So this is possibly a third wave, and expected 38% has been reached. I'm expecting a bounce or a correction to over. And in Bank Nifty 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 61.8% exactly stopped, and this could be the possible end of this correction. This is the idea. If you not yet watched the previous video, I suggest you to watch that because I explained the alternate view also. But if the price not supports and declines, what will be the case? Okay, and shared a lot of learnings in Elliott waves. So if you not yet watched that video, if you have time, please check that. So this is the chart on 24th Jan. Okay, expecting a bounce or support to come. And also explain with the intermarket divergence. See that the intermarket divergence mostly come at the resistance or at support, or in other words, a top or a bottom depends on the time frame. Okay, see this chart. See before that, so intermarket divergence visible in hourly chart, a bounce is expected. So already we are calculating that Nifty and Bank Nifty at important support, and the intermarket divergence also suggesting a bounce is coming, and the subways may decide whether the bounce is just a pullback or correction has been over. Okay, so this is the understanding, and the two charts you can see the Nifty is upside and Bank Nifty down. See before that, a small intermarket divergence resulted in a pullback, and one more intermarket divergence, either it's a pullback or a new impulse. We need to see based on the internal counts, but whether this intermarket divergence worked or not. See this, it worked. See, intermarket divergence will definitely work. Okay, you can add this analysis also into your trading setup. So these things we analyzed last week. Okay, and the most important thing is, see, for every trader and analyst, if the price action moves as per our prediction or as per our analysis, it will bring us more happiness, right? See, I have identified more tops and bottoms. Depends on the time frames. Okay, with the help of waves and fibs and other some factors, we can identify the most precise zone for reversals. And also I have shared a lot of charts saying the exact reversal points. But this price action in Bank Nifty, it gives more than happiness because the thing is very bad at that time. The Bank Nifty is falling like anything. It's falling. Its fall is like a very strong bearish move. But what I expected was the price may take an ending diagonal to control this fall. If you remember, I have said this exact words in my previous video that Bank Nifty needs to slow down the decline. For slow downing the decline, the Bank Nifty may make ending diagonal. Okay, this is what I said in previous video. See the chart. This is on 23rd January, because see the candle here, straight and straight. Okay, but expected this pattern, analyzing some other factors, I explained everything, and see the actual pattern. This gives an immense happiness for me, because this will not happen at all times, but I just want to share with you. With Elliott waves and Fib numbers and other factors combining together, the intermarket divergence, Nifty, Bank Nifty, putting all together, we can expect these kind of patterns and reversals also. Okay, so I just want to share with you. Right, so see, this is the expectation on 23rd January. Okay, an ending diagonal to settle the price. Okay, to slow down the decline process. It happened. Okay, and moved above this point. So now what? So what we may expect in this week? That's the most important question. Still we not get the clear 3-wave or 5-wave rise. Okay, until then we need to wait and watch. Okay, yesterday I shared this information. Nifty near resistance 21,750 to 21,800, and need to see whether the price pull back or reverses. If it pull backs, it may move one more high. It reverses, all these bounds should be treated as a corrective pattern. That's the idea. See, okay, I mentioned this also. If pull back and moves one more high, this may turn to be the first impulse after the correction. Today's high as of now is 21,813. See, today's high is 21,813, approximately our zone only. Okay, this I predicted yesterday for the possible resistance zone. Okay, how I predicted that will tell you in a while. Just watch the full video. So in Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty holding the 38.2%. So if it is minor fourth wave, 45,200 to 45,000 may gives support. And same like Nifty, if gets support and moves one more high above 45,560, sorry, 45,650, then it may be the first impulse. The same idea what I shared before. If it is 5-wave move, we can expect it as a possible first wave in the upside. But if it not makes 5 waves, but instead it reverses in 3 waves itself, it can be the correction part. Right. So what happened to Bank Nifty? 45,200 to 45,000. Bank Nifty, the low yesterday it made low of 45,200. Yes, still under zone only. Okay. Right. So how I get this number? 21,800. Very simple. I calculate this as in 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this is expectation. If it moves like this, a pullback and a move higher, we may see it as a 5-wave rise, and the decline may be what, and we may see an one more high. I mean, upside is possible. The trend may continues. But if the price declines below this top, we need to be cautious that this may be still corrective, and below this level 21,200 we may confirm one more leg down. Okay, so since I project it as a correction to be over higher possibility, I mark it as a third wave. For a third wave, it may reach minimum of 1.618. This is why I said 21,800 is the resistance. Because of this reason, I said that 21,800 may bring some resistance. And also this seems to be a pause only, and this has the nature of wave 3. So let's see, if this declines and moves higher, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the price not makes a new high and declines, we may expect a support around 38% to 50%, a possible fourth wave, which comes around 21,590. Okay, Most probably the 21,590 should support if it is 4. And if not, we may expect 21,525 levels. Okay. And if this price makes a new high to this trend line, maybe this can be treated as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the most important part is we need to watch how this price action develops. One more option, this still may be in wave 3. See, because I can see a 3-wave move. So it can be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 to complete the third itself, this third. Okay. 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete 3. So if this is the case, again, not much difference. The expected pullback is so 21,590 only. Okay. So 21,590 is the most important level to watch. Both to count. Okay. Either 3 completed here or still the 3 may go upside because of this internal waves. Most probably the wave 1 will not extend. So let's see. So I shared both options as an impulse, minor impulse. Let's see how the price action develops here. And so far it's developing it as a 4th wave only. Pause. Okay. So hope this count should be, if it's valid, it may get support and move higher. Okay. In Bank Nifty, see, in hourly chart, I'm not able to get the clear pattern. So in 15 minutes, to match with Nifty, okay, to match with Nifty, I can say it is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. Or we completed wave 5, still it is possible because it exactly got support resistance at 38%, which is one of the resistance point for 5th wave. Okay. But still Nifty may be in possible 4th. All this can be 4 and we may expect one more higher in Bank Nifty. For that, we may expect Bank Nifty to get support at 38% again, one more lower to 45,200 or 45,070. That's what I said in this tip. Okay, 45,200 to 45,000. The same calculations as per Fib numbers and waves. So all these are based on impulse wave. But if the price not supports here, okay, and come lower to minimum this level, because here wave 1 is very small. Until it touches this, we cannot confirm, but we can get the confirmation from Nifty. So if the price touches here 21, what is it level, 21,370? No, 21,480, sorry, 21,480. Then we should be cautious, and below 21,200, the down may continue. Okay. So this is what the expectation now. We need to see how the price action develops. Okay. I mark it as a minor impulse as of now, given the nature, but it can be a corrective pattern also. But for that, we need to get some more price action in 1 or 2 days. So how this decline happens, and if it makes a new high after declining, yes, it can be in first 5 waves. Okay. So this is what the update for today. Let's see how the price action develops. So these are not any recommendations. I'm sharing only for the purpose of learning Elliott waves and making the Elliott waves very simple and approachable. Okay, I don't want to make Elliott waves a complex study. So I'm trying my best to make the Elliott waves a simple and approachable method. I hope you like this video. For learning Elliott waves and for market updates, you can subscribe the channel and like this video and share it with your fellow traders. So thank you. Thanks for your support. Trade safely. We'll meet you in next video. Thank you and bye.